ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. To also help my channel out, like the video, subscribe and watch a playlist or two. And don't forget to comment. So today I'm using the lovely little watercolour tin gifted to me by subscriber CW. And I'm going to be painting an apple using these watercolours. I started off with a wet into wet technique, which means wetting the paper first and then adding in your pigment. After drying it with a heat gun, I then sketched out with a mechanical pencil the basic rough shape of an apple, and then I erased the dark graphite outline so that I could just see a faint line, and then started going in with layers of watercolour. I find drying each layer with a heat gun works much better for building up the colour, and I'm not going for a massively realistic looking apple, though you can get apples in many different colours. So I'm now going to let you watch how I've painted this without doing any more talking, because sometimes the constant talking can distract you from what I'm actually painting on camera. I hope you enjoy watching the rest of this and find it helpful. So what do you guys think of this apple, created using the kind gift from subscriber Christine/CW? I actually found that the colours in here are incredibly universal. You could use them for almost anything, from doing real life, as in still life, to my made-up characters. Now this yellow here, and I'm sure it's by Sennelier, is amazingly vibrant. You need very, very little of it. Unlike the Winsor & Newton Cotman, you need more. But the Sennelier yellow, for example, is incredibly vibrant, as you can see here. And underneath, I was still picking up the dots here when I was doing my apple, and that all helped. Now, the Payne's Grey I've never used before because, well, you know me and grey, but it goes together really lovely. And when you add it to other colours, like the brown or the burnt sienna even, you get a darker brown. So I really enjoyed using this, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me create this apple with the watercolour set, because I really love it. And you're going to see even more of the watercolour set on my channel. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.